Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Alright, let's dive into creating a robust and user-friendly command line parser in Python, inspired by the elegance and usability that Anthon van der Neut's work often embodies. We'll focus on the argparse module, which is part of the Python standard library and provides a powerful and flexible way to handle command line arguments. Why argparse? Asterisk standard library, asterisk no need to install external packages. Asterisk automatic help messages, asterisk generates nicely formatted help messages, h or dash help, for your script, including argument descriptions and usage examples. Asterisk type checking, asterisk can automatically convert argument strings into appropriate data types, example integers, floats, booleans. Asterisk error handling, asterisk handles missing arguments, invalid choices, and other common command line errors gracefully. Asterisk subcommands, asterisk allows you to create complex command line interfaces with nested subcommands, like git commit, git push, etc. The philosophy: design first. Before we write any code, let's think about the user experience. A good command line parser should be asterisk intuitive, asterisk arguments should have clear and descriptive names. Asterisk documented, asterisk the help message should be comprehensive and easy to understand. Asterisk flexible, asterisk it should support both positional and optional arguments, as well as various argument types. Asterisk robust, asterisk it should handle errors gracefully and provide helpful error messages. 1. Basic setup. First, import the argparse module. Now, create an argument parser object. Asterisk description, a short description of what your program does. This will be displayed in the help message. 2. Adding arguments. This is where the magic happens. We use parser.add_argument to define each argument that our program accepts. Let's start with some examples. Asterisk positional arguments, asterisk these are required arguments that the user must provide in a specific order. Asterisk file name, the name of the argument, as it will appear in the command line. Asterisk help, a short description of the argument, displayed in the help message. Asterisk optional arguments, asterisk these are not required and are typically specified using flags, example v or dash verbose. Asterisk v, dash verbose, the short and long flags for the argument. Users can use either v or dash verbose to specify this argument. Asterisk action equals store_true, this is a special action that automatically sets the argument to true if the flag is present. Otherwise, it defaults to false. Other common actions include asterisk store, default stores the value provided by the user. Asterisk store_const, stores a constant value if the argument is present. Asterisk store_true/store_false, stores true or false, respectively. Asterisk append, appends the value to a list. Asterisk count, counts the number of times the flag is present. Asterisk help, a description of the argument. Asterisk arguments with specific data types, asterisk. Asterisk type equals int, specifies that the argument should be converted to an integer. Argparse will raise an error if the user provides a non-integer value. Other common types include float, str, default, and bool, requires special action like store_true. Asterisk default equals 10, specifies a default value for the argument. If the user doesn't provide the argument, it will default to 10. Asterisk arguments with choices, asterisk. Asterisk choices equals read, write, append, limits the possible values for the argument to a predefined list. Argparse will raise an error if the user provides a value that is not in the list. Asterisk arguments that store a constant value asterisk. Asterisk action equals store underscore const, stores the value defined by the const argument. Asterisk const equals true, the constant value to store. Asterisk default equals false, the default value if the flag is not present. Asterisk dest equals new underscore file, specifies the name of the attribute in the args object where the value will be stored. By default, it uses the argument name, create in this case, but dest allows you to override it. This is useful when you have flags with short names that you don't want to use directly as variable names in your code. 3. Parsing the arguments. After defining all the arguments, you need to parse them using parser.parse_args. This function takes the command line arguments from sys.argv and parses them according to the definitions you provided. It then returns an object, args in this case, that contains the values of the arguments. 4. Using the arguments. Now you can access the argument values using the dot notation. Complete example asterisk. How to run it asterisk. 1. Save the code as a Python file, example my_script.py. 2. Open a terminal or command prompt. 3. Run the script with different arguments. Key concepts and tips for a parser you can love, like anthon would. Asterisk meaningful argument names asterisk choose argument names that clearly indicate their purpose. Avoid cryptic abbreviations unless they are extremely well-established conventions. Asterisk comprehensive help messages asterisk write clear and concise help messages for each argument. Explain what the argument does, what values it accepts, and what the default value is, if any. The help message is often the first thing a user sees, so make it informative. Asterisk thoughtful defaults asterisk set sensible default values for optional arguments. This makes the script easier to use in common scenarios. Asterisk type checking and validation asterisk use type equals and choices equals to ensure that arguments have the correct data types and valid values. This helps prevent errors later in your code. You can also create custom types to validate arguments more intricately. Asterisk custom actions asterisk for more advanced scenarios, you can create custom action classes that inherit from argparse.action. This allows you to perform more complex processing of arguments. Asterisk subcommands asterisk for complex programs with multiple functionalities, consider using subcommands. Subcommands allow you to group related arguments together and create a hierarchical command line interface. See the section below for an example. Asterisk group arguments asterisk use add_argument_group to logically group arguments in the help message. This can improve readability, especially for scripts with many options. Asterisk mutually exclusive arguments asterisk use add_mutually_exclusive_group to ensure that certain arguments cannot be used together. This can prevent conflicting options. Asterisk use dest wisely asterisk when the argument name isn't ideal as a variable name, example a short flag like f, use dest to specify a more descriptive attribute name in the args object. Asterisk don't reinvent the wheel asterisk look for existing libraries or tools that might provide the functionality you need. For example, if you're working with configuration files, consider using a library like config parser in conjunction with argparse. Asterisk test your parser asterisk write unit tests to ensure that your command line parser works correctly under different scenarios. Test with valid and invalid input, and make sure that the error messages are helpful. Asterisk consistent style asterisk maintain a consistent coding style throughout your script, including the way you define arguments, write help messages, and handle errors. Example of subcommands asterisk. Subcommands are fantastic for creating tools that have a range of functions. Think of git, git commit, git push, git pull are all subcommands of git. How to run the subcommand example asterisk. Anthon van der Neut inspiration asterisk. Anthon van der Neut is known for writing clean, well-structured, and maintainable code, with a focus on user experience. Apply these principles to your command line parsers. Asterisk clarity asterisk make the code easy to understand, even for someone unfamiliar with it. Asterisk modularity asterisk break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable functions. Asterisk error handling asterisk anticipate potential errors and handle them gracefully. Asterisk testability asterisk write code that is easy to test. Asterisk user friendliness asterisk design the command line interface with the user in mind. By following these principles, you can create command line parsers that are not only functional but also a pleasure to use, parsers that Anthon van der Neut himself might admire. The argparse module is your friend, learn to wield it effectively, and you'll be well on your way to building powerful and user-friendly command line tools.